These are simple yoga. As it is said in the Vedic literature, Premanyana Charita Bhakti Vilochanena Shantas Sadaiva Hridayeshu Vilokayanti. We have to create our eyes or purify our eyes to see God. And that purification is possible when you apply the ointment of love of God daily. How to love Krishna? Take it as ointment, as we apply some ointment to increase the sight of our eyes. Doctor gives some prescription, we use it also. So similarly, how to see God? You will see God with these eyes when it is clarified. Premanyana Churitam, by the ointment of love of God. So these are the function, how to love. One has to rise early in the morning. He doesn't like. But no, I have to satisfy Krishna. And that is the beginning. I have to chant 16 rounds. He is lazy. He doesn't want to do it. But if he loves Krishna, he must do it. He must do it. So in the beginning, we have to learn how to love. But when you come to the state, there is no question of you may follow the regulative principle or not, because love is that. But don't imitate. Just like in our ordinary love affairs, if I want to love some girl, I bring some flower, I bring some presentation. In this way, she thinks, oh, that is very nice boy. She has brought me this, that. In this way, there are 6 principles of love. Dadati pratiginnati. You have to give and you have to take. I love somebody, I give him something. My dear, you take it. And when he offers also, if he also loves you, he also return you. Not exactly for returning, it is love, to give and take. Dadati pratiginnati. Gujjam akhyati prichhati cha. Opening mind. My dear lover, I like this. And the other party also opens his mind. Gujjam akhyati. Gujjam means very confidential things. Akhyati, disclosed, exchange. Gujjam akhyati prichhati cha. And bhungte bhojayati chaiva. And giving the lover to eat something and accept from him some eatable. These are the 6 ways of increasing love. If you act in that way with Krishna, you are taking so many things from Krishna. Krishna is giving you everything. Eka bahunam vidadati kaman. Whatever our necessities of life, that is being supplied by Krishna. You are taking these fruits, flowers, grains. It is not possible to manufacture this in your factory. It is Krishna sending, Krishna giving you. So, we are living at the cost of Krishna, and after cooking these fruits, flowers or grains, if you do not offer to Krishna, is that very good gentlemanliness? I take so much from you, and simply, nicely and very cleanly cooking the food stuff, if we offer to Krishna, then what is wrong there? The rascals, they said, they are heathens. They are worshipping some stone. You see. So these are all less intelligent persons. God eats. Krishna says, Tadahang asnami, I eat. Patram puspam phalam toyam jomi bhaktya prajachyati. Tadahang asnami, bhakta upuritam. Krishna says that my devotee, when he brings something within the categories of vegetables, grains and fruits, because he has brought with devotion and love, I eat them. So when the devotee offers with devotion and love, Krishna, you have given us so many nice things, So I have cooked it. Kindly you take first. Oh, how it is nice. Just like your father has given you so many things, and you are obliged of our father is maintaining us. And if you cook something and give it to the father first, my dear father, I have cooked this. It is very nice. Oh, it is very nice. All right, give me. The father will be so much pleased. Oh, here is my dear son. It is father's property. You cannot give anything to the father. So immediately you have nothing to offer to Krishna. Simply you have to become little intelligent, that's all. Not rascal. If you remain rascal, then your human life is spoiled. If you become little intelligent, then your human life is successful. And this is intelligence. God is giving us daily bread. Why not offer to God first? That is intelligence. And simply God is giving me bread, I shall eat. And that's all. I am meant for eating only. And why not offering? God will not eat. Simply you feel gratitude. Oh, God has given me this bread. Let me offer it to God first of all. Then I take. What is the wrong there? What is lost there? But these Naradhama, lowest of the mankind, they even do not recognize this. Lowest, they have been described in Bhagavad Gita, Naradhama, Namang duskitana mudha prapadante Naradhama, Maya puritagyana. His intelligence, his knowledge has been taken away by Maya. He has not this knowledge even that God has given me to eat. Why not offer it first of all to God? This intelligence has been taken away by Maya. Therefore they are Naradhama. Namang duskitana mudha prapadante Naradhama. So those who are Naradhama, lowest of the mankind, just like here, something being offered to Krishna, to God, he will eat it. But he will leave everything for you as prasad. How? Purnat purnam ujachyate, purnasya purnamadaya, purnameva avashishyate. This is God's power. He will eat everything, but he will keep everything for you as prasad. Purnasya purnamadaya, taking everything, but still is there. So this is the process. How to increase your attachment for Krishna. We do not say that you Christian, you are good, I am Hindu, I am bad, or you are bad, I am good. We don't say that. We simply say that it is your right now, this human form of body, how to love God. That's all. You have loved dogs so long, now you try to love God. That is all. So, we don't criticize anyone. Simply we want to see whether he or she has developed his love of God. That's all. So you can do it either as Christian, as Hindu, as Mohammedan. We don't care for that. But we want to see you that you are actually lover of God. If you are not, then we tell you, you try to love God in this way. What is that? Savanam Kirtanam Vishnu. Simply hear about Krishna. Simply chant about Krishna. Is that very difficult? If you have not yet learned how to love God, take this process and you will learn how to love God. This is our propaganda. It is not difficult. Savanam Kirtanam Vishnu, Smaranam Padasevanam, Archanam Bandhanam Dasam, Satham Atmanivedanam. These are the 9 different processes. So you can execute all the 9 processes. Or 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. But at least take to one. You will be perfect. If you simply come here in this temple without doing anything, simply hear about Krishna, your life will be perfect. Thank you very much.